Yes, I have finally returned, and I'm here to milk more of the Jazwares FNAF merch. Let's do it! Your boy has been aimlessly trying to get Wave 2 and Wave 3 of Jazwares, and it's not looking too good. But I got some stuff from Wave 3 and Wave 2, but we're gonna take a little break and go over some stuff that's kind of miscellaneous, like kind of its own thing, that I actually found finally at my Target. We have Ringmaster Foxy and Magician Mangle. I am so excited to talk about these figures. I remember talking about this figure when it got leaked, and people thinking it was not real, which was kind of crazy. But yeah, guys, so today, I'll just be going over reviewing these two figures for you guys. Again, I'm trying to get the rest of the Jazwares wave so I can do full videos on all of that. But if you want, go check out my old videos on Wave 1. I did a couple videos on that. But yeah, guys, if you guys like FNAF, you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And now, let's open these bad boys up. We're gonna start with Foxy. Oh, also, these are only at Target. Hey, okay, we got Ringmaster Foxy. Let's get Mangle out of here. Damn! There is a lot of pieces. I've returned with scissors. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Hey! So we got these two out. Let's go over to the review station and actually take a look at them. Alright, guys, so I do want to start off with Mangle because I just have to put her together. So I actually found the back of the box, and I'm going to try to go off it based on the box as much as possible. So cue the Lego building sounds. Oh my, okay guys, so I built the figure. This is a lot. Oh my god. So yeah, this figure is a lot. First of all, taking a look at the figure, it is so detailed. I mean, just looking at it, the detail, the dirtiness on the little endo parts, bunny ears, all the detail on the feet, the actual Mangle head itself is absolutely insane. I will say the building process was a lot better than the original Jazwares World of Mangle figure. I think they definitely learned from their mistakes with how hard it was to put Mangle together. This one was so much easier. Actually, taking a look at the figure, first of all, the articulation is insane. If we really want to go over it, there is so much. I mean, you have ball joints in here for the arms, you have pegs here, then the hands spin around, and they also are on hinges, so you can move them like that. And then there's like the legs, and then there's the head, and there's so much. This is like overstimulating the figure. It's a lot. I would go over the entirety of the articulation, but again, this figure is overstimulating the out of me. I guess let's look at the jump scare effect. So it's the same. The Mangle just has it on the back of her head, as you can see right here, and the jaw moves, pretty cool. And then also this little endo piece also has it on the back of his head. We're gonna call him Jimmy. Say hi to Jimmy. Blah, 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 blah. The eyes also do glow in the dark like the rest of the Jazwares figures, but we'll talk about that later in the video. This figure's stressing me out. As you can see, there's also a saw, and I think it comes off. It seems like it does. If you wanted to, you can definitely take the saw off, but I don't really think it's meant to. But yeah, guys, like I said, this figure's really stressing me out. There's just a lot happening with it. But the design is really cool. You know, I think the biggest thing with Funko was making these random AR designs into figures and not actual characters, but I think Jazwares is doing the right thing with just making these like little exclusive fun things in the middle of line, so it's not taking up from actual game characters. And let's take a look at her compared to the original Jazwares World of Mangle. Yeah, mine's missing an eye. I don't know how that happened, but so here they are together. This Mangle was a lot harder to put together, but it's not as overstimulating as this Mangle. Oh my god, this thing is just stressing me out. I'm like, it's so detailed and so cool, and again, it's definitely a lot more detailed than this Mangle, but it's just a lot. There's a lot happening with this Mangle. So let's take a break from Mangle and this overstimulating ass figure and talk about Ringmaster Foxy, which is really cool. Again, this is another one from AR. They're kind of around the same line. So taking a look at the figure, first of all, the detail is absolutely insane. If we actually look at this head sculpt, so crazy. The hat has so much detail. The actual coat itself too, look at all that detail in there. Absolutely insane. He also does have the jump scare effect, so you know, it works pretty well. I think it's a little harder to do because this is weighing it down. So you can see it's a lot harder to push it in as the other figures, but still pretty cool. Taking a look at the articulation, obviously it has the jump scare effect, but you can move the arms all the way around, even though it has that jump scare effect. Does bend at the elbows a little bit, not as much as you would think. This arm also bends. The hand swivels all the way around. It is on a hinge, so you can move it like that. And again, so much detail on this figure. This might be one of the most detailed Jazwares FNAF figures. Holy shit. You also have this little Ringmaster thing. I don't know. It does spin all the way around, though, which is really cool. The legs go up this much, and they're limited going back, obviously, because his little cape thing he has. Does bend at the knees both ways. And he has the drop-down hips, kind of like the rest of the Jazwares figures. He also has the feet. They actually got it right. They got the 2 toes. And it bends like that. It does spin all the way around. So let's also compare Ringmaster Foxy to another Jazwares Foxy figure. This is the Endo series Withered Foxy. Again, I don't have any from Wave 2 of World of, sadly, so I can't show him next to normal Foxy, but here he is with Withered Foxy. They're pretty much the same height. This guy's hat gives him a lot of height, but overall, this figure is just so much more detail. I mean, honestly, this Withered Foxy is very disappointing. Damn, does this Ringmaster Foxy for no reason look insanely good. The glow on the Ringmaster Foxy is really cool. Not only is it on his eyes, but it's also on his chest a little bit, which is really cool. But there's just not enough dark places in my house to actually show these off, which is really disappointing. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my reviews on Ringmaster Foxy and Magician Mangle. I think I'd give Ringmaster Foxy a 7 and Ringmaster Mangle a 5 or 6. This figure's a lot. If you get overstimulated easy, this figure is not going to be fun for you. But this figure is really cool. It's very detailed. And again, I think it's cool that they're doing these little exclusive figures only as like a little added bonus into the waves of the normal figures. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my review of these two. Let me know what you guys think. Are you excited the Jazwares videos are coming back? Because I will say, is it hard to find this stuff? Yeah. But I'm finding them, alright? The reviews are coming soon. My bank account ain't looking too good, though. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of these. If you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. And yeah.